Now here actually I am going to now teach you about congruency triangles and similar triangles. What do you mean about congruency triangles? Because we must know to differentiate between these triangles. Then only the number of theorems we can come across. If you want to work out theorems, if you want to just prove the theorem, we must know these two triangles, we must know the difference between these two triangles. Now first of all, let me take the congruency triangles. The symbol for congruency is this one. What do you mean about congruency triangles? Means if three sides, three angles and perimeter and areas of one triangle is equal to the three sides, three angles, perimeter and areas of another triangle, then it is said to be congruency triangles. That is, in in another way, I can say when you take two triangles, they are equal in all aspects. That is, sides are equal, angles are equal, and they are equal in perimeter, their areas are equal. So then only we can say they are said to be congruency triangles. Now, before we enter into about the congruency triangles, there are some conditions among the triangles. That is, there are three conditions are there: triple S, SAS, AAS. What is triple S? If three sides of one triangle, so this is, these sides are mentioned in this dot line. This in this small here, this is one side. This side is equal to this side, and if you put two stripes, these two sides is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. If the three sides of a triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, then we can say this is a minimum condition only. If three sides are equal to another triangle, then automatically we can say the two triangles ABC and triangle DEF are congruency. We can write this. This is the minimum condition. That is minimum guarantee. We are giving minimum guarantee for congruency triangles. Similarly, if we pass on to here, if two sides of one, that is SAS, two sides of one triangle and middle of the angle, and two sides of another triangle and one angle are equal, then those two triangles are said to be congruency. This is also minimum guarantee. We are giving minimum guarantee here. Similarly, two sides and one angle are equal to two sides and one angle of another triangle. That is, they are also said to be congruency triangles. Now, pass on to third one, AAS. That is, if the two sides of one triangle is equal to two angles of one triangle and one side, two angles and one side of a triangle is equal to two angles and one side of another triangle, then also we can come to a conclusion that those two triangles are congruency. These are the based on some minimum equality, we can say that is congruency. Generally, congruency means they are equal in all aspects. But they are now in these conditions, minimum guarantee I am giving triple S, SAS, AAS. Similarly, here in a right angle triangle, what is a right angle triangle? Among three angles, one angle should be 90 degree. So the angle 90 degree will be mentioned like this, like the symbol is this. If among the three angles, one angle is 90 degree, then it is said to be right angled triangle. The side opposite to right angle is said to be hypotenuse. So this right angle is very, very important in trigonometry. In future, we are going, even in 9th class itself, in 9th and 10th, we are going to study about the trigonometry. There you are going to utilize this right angle triangle in a enlarged way, in a magnificently they are used, this right angle triangle. Usually we must know what is right angle, and that side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. Other two sides are adjacent sides. the two sides adjacent to right angle, they are said to be adjacent sides. Here, in a right angle triangle, if hypotenuse, side are equal, then also we can say among those two triangles are said to be congruency. Okay, this is the study of congruency triangles. Now, let me pass on to similar. What do you mean about similar triangles? Here, similar triangles is nothing but if three angles of a triangle are equal to the three angles of another triangle, then those two triangles are said to be similar triangles. Only angles are equal. But here, in congruency, angles are equal, sides are equal, perimeter are equal, areas are equal. Here, only angles. If only three angles of a triangle equal to three angles of another triangle, then those two triangles, the symbol, this angle equal to this angle is equal to this angle, and this, the third one, this angle is equal to this angle, then they are said to be similar triangles. Then, one more thing, here, what is the condition? What result would you get if you say that if two triangles are similar triangles means, then give me so dust away. Give me. Then I will give you. Then what is the condition? Then there is a condition. What is the condition? The ratio between the corresponding sides of a triangle are equal to the ratio between the corresponding sides of another triangle. That is AB by DE is equal to AC or BC by EF and is equal to AC by DF. Now I will repeat once again. If two triangles are said to be similar triangles means if the angles alone are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then those two triangles are said to be similar triangles. Then if two triangles are said to be similar, then what is the result and what is the condition? The ratio between the corresponding is the ratio between. You know what do you mean by ratio means? One divides by another one. The ratio between the corresponding sides means AB by DE, BC by EF, AC by DF. Now you can say, sir, what do you mean about corresponding sides? Corresponding sides is nothing but corresponding side means the sides which are opposite to equal angles. Now if you take angle A, here this angle is equal to D. The corresponding sides are the opposite sides BC, opposite sides EF, BC by EF. Now the angle B is equal to angle C. Now the corresponding sides means the opposite sides is AC. Here the opposite sides is DF. So the ratio between AC by DF. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle. The opposite side is AB is corresponding sides, and opposite side here is DE is also corresponding sides. These two angles are corresponding angles and corresponding sides, that is AB by DE. Corresponding sides means corresponding sides means the sides opposite to equal angle. So this is a condition. If you know this condition, there is very, very important theorem is there. That is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras is a great mathematician. That Pythagoras has invented this Pythagoras theorem. That Pythagoras theorem, by knowing about the tactics in mathematics, there are a lot of tactics and techniques they are in mathematics. When we use the mathematics here, how can I write means there is some technique is there. That is, if you take triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Now, it's not an easy thing. It's a complicated one to find out the corresponding sides. For that, there are some techniques. What are the technique means? If you write the angles like this, AB by DE, AB by DE is equal to next BC by EF, next CA, that is CA is AC by FD or DF. Now automatically we will get, instead of just memorizing, if two triangles are said to be similar triangles, then their corresponding sides are, then the ratio between the corresponding sides are equal. Instead of saying like this, straight away, if you use this technique, which technique? Triangle ABC, and these two are said to be similar. Similar, the symbol for similar is similar. The symbol for similar, that is similar. Here they are said here. No, one more thing. Here, if two angles are there, means in the similar triangles are written as triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Now, if the triangles ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then the condition is this, that is, the ratio between the corresponding sides are equal. So that how to write this corresponding sides means, without memorizing and going without, by using this figure and going through the figure, straight away you can use this technique. First two sides, 2 point AB by DE, then BC by EF, and CA, that is AC by DF. So this is a way of, first of all, if you know these techniques, then if you know the difference between congruency triangles and similar triangles, then automatically I will teach you in next class about how to deal with, how to prove the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you very much.